today will be an unboxing video on this alarm that I announced that was going to be coming in the mail in System Test 3, or I mean 4. So this is the box it came in. It says made in China. Let's just go my name is on the bottom of this box. Well, this is actually the bottom, but on the top of it has my name, but I don't want you guys to see it. So let's get right into the box. You can see it's there. There it is. Some packaging. So here it is, and you can see that it looks like the strobe is almost like wrecked. Well, it just has a protective case on it that I'm going to peel off now. That's just so the strobe doesn't get scratched up. So here's the alarm itself. It's a strobe. Just inside of it, the LEDs. So I'm thinking this is actually maybe an LED strobe. This is a horn strobe because on the back, you can see there's jumpers. See? I'm pretty sure like on one of them it's the horn and the strobe. Then the next one is just the strobe, and then the next one is just the horn. I actually don't know. Here's the tone selection. Get the focus. So the tones is 119, 120, and then 110. Right here's the wiring up terminals. It's 2 wires, jumpers again. So you get this alarm off the mounting bracket is you come up here and then you just push down and pull it. This is hard to do with one hand. Just gonna sit down now. If I had 3 hands, it'd be a lot easier. So then here's the alarm off the mounting bracket, and here's the mounting bracket. So what I was doing is, right here, I was just pushing here, and then you can see there's this clip right here that just slides into there, and then on the bottom there's 2 more clips that go into there. But the main way to get it off is up here. This clip. Now, but I won't be testing this because I've actually never wired anything up before except for my fake system that doesn't actually work, which is upstairs. But yeah, the jumpers are there. And if you are like collecting alarms and then you have like an alarm that takes jumpers, so this is how they work. No, Dylan. So you can see right here, there's the jumpers and.
Let's come see the pig cooking. Hot dogs, chicken burgers.
It's on 119. So what I do is I pull out this black thing.
You want another piece, cucumber? You need the cucumber. It's nice.
Anyways, you pull out that black piece, which I'm just going to sit the camera down so I can get it out without getting it underneath inside the alarm. So now you can see the jumper has been taken out. And it was in this top roll, 119. And I'm going to put it in 120, which is in the middle. So now it's set to 120. Now I'm going to put it on 110. So now I'm just gonna pull it out. As I showed you before, so pull the black piece of plastic. See? And then just stick it in. See? It's pretty easy. So that's the tone changing. So now I'm just gonna set it back to 119. So set down the camera. All right. So now it's in 119, as you can see. So you're probably thinking, hey, does this come with mounting hardware? So we're gonna find that out. So I'm just gonna set the camera down. Oh, I was gonna put it on the mounting bracket, but I'm pretty sure I can show you. So you see the two clips that are here, and then the two holes that are on the mounting bracket. You stick the two bottom clips into the bottom holes, as I just did, and then you just push down right here near the top, and now it's back on the mounting bracket. So that looks like this on the mounting bracket. Oh yeah, you guys are probably wondering what company was this made by, or what's the model number. Well, I'm pretty sure, so this just says fire alarm siren, and then right now would be a good time to pause the video and read this. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Alright, so now you could have read this. So now I'm just going to set the camera down and I'm going to show you what else comes in the box. So the other thing that comes in the box is some mounting hardware. So we got 2 screws or Phillips head. And then there's some of these green things that I don't know what they're called, but you put them in your wall in case there's like no stud. Or if you don't know what a stud is, it's basically isn't a stud like a piece of metal in the wall?
Piece of 2x4.
Yeah.
Wood.
Yeah, so it's a piece of wood, but if there isn't one of those,
Metal studs too.
Yeah. But if there isn't a stud, which is just like piece of
metal studs.
Yeah. So if you don't, so that's what a stud is basically. Either a piece of wood in the wall or a piece of metal. So a way to find studs, if you are looking for a metal stud, you put a magnet on your wall. But if you have wooden studs, then you probably will I think you bang the wall with a hammer or knock on it with your. You get these little pieces of plastic, you stick them in the wall, and then they act as a stud. My smoke detector that's up on my board right now that I made a review of a while ago.
Hot dogs are done. Chicken burgers are done.
That I made a while ago. It had orange one of these, but they were a lot different. But those are in my board right now with the screws that came with the smoke detector. This is just a really small Ziploc bag. Yeah, but this is also not system sensor. I don't think so. But I was kind of thinking that it's like a Chinese version of the Spectral or Classic. I don't know, but it's weird, and it looks like it has an LEDs in there. So I'm wondering if this is an LED strobe. I'm not going to test it today because I'm not allowed. I'm only 8 years old, and I'm turning 9 in May, and it's March right now. So, yeah. So that was the review on this alarm. All I know about it is that it's made in China. Its voltage is DC 24 or 12 volts DC. And then, I don't know what this is, the working, and then that. Alarm, SPL, wait, I don't know what that is. Tones is 3 tones, and then it's made in China. That's all I know about it. And it's jumpers, and it's 2-wire. And it's a horn strobe. It looks like it's LEDs. And this is fire. So yeah, that was the review on this alarm. I'll see you guys next time.